What's up, everybody? We're going to be installing the latest upgrade in my Maverick X3 today. I got this little tablet holder. It was actually sent to me for free to do a product testing on it, so I'm pretty excited about that. It looks very simple to install. There's just 4 self-tapping screws. 2 of them go through there, 2 of them go through up here. You can see there's a hole there and a hole there. And I'm excited to see how she looks when she's all set and installed in the unit. We got the window opened up. We're just going to pop this cover off. You just pull on it right there. And we're going to set that right there. And look at how all that fits. That's a really good form-fitting thing. I'm happy with it. You can see right there is where 2 screws are going to go. Looks like there's already indents right there where the screws are going to go in anyways. And then if we pop down this button right there, you can see there's 1 screw hole right here and 1 screw hole right here. That's about as easy as it gets for an install. Down. Screws. Go ahead and snug up these front. It is literally that easy, folks. I mean, I am 2 minutes into this installation and we are done. You can see it has really good fitment quality, matches with the seams of the body, and then put this cover back on. You can't even see the rest of it. You know, for an aftermarket edition, it seems to be really good fit and finish. You know, it lines up with the body lines really well. You got a convenient button right here, and now you have storage with not perfect shielding, but way more shielding than it had before. That'd be a good spot to throw your phone if you want to let it charge while you're running down the trail. You can see this part's adjustable for different size tablets. Yeah, I have some trail maps I've put on tablets before, and this will be really convenient to be able to hold my tablet right here while I'm bombing down some trails, not have to worry about it. And added storage is always a benefit. Seems to be a good product. I'll put it to the test this weekend, and then I'll put it to the test next weekend, and I'll be able to finish this video and let you guys know how it did. What's up, everybody? Here I am reviewing the product after having used it for a full weekend out there riding on the trails. You can see we are nice and dirty. Everything still functions properly. The latch still tightens down as it should. Everything still moves good. It was awesome having the extra storage while I was out there on the trails. And I'll definitely say that that thing held up a lot better than my right front suspension did. It's a good product. I definitely recommend it. I hope y'all enjoyed this little install video. Take care until next time.